but ye man nya dwuma iti aye bibi ti say party na de obia na Akoma ne say ne party no say ye boni o say nye na Akoma ne party ba sabe mpreduasa mpanimfo na council ese kwase ya na nsesa na dwen me na nanso na to na kura sedin o se kwase ya nyam da ntu de bia na obia be da no waje ade ho
kwase nyam da
kwase ya nyam da
okay kwase ya nyam da
eyekro me na kura sedin no
oh I see
one ne wo fa asefo ko na omo wie na me da na instead say obemo nko omo nim so ofa be wu media de nti nko omo du omo ofa chi afi wo fa koye last koko omo se mofra mfa dwene so ja se wo se mofra mfa dwene se mofra na modi mofa chi ne mo mfa dwene na me na ba ko ekote no ho no ko do no koko no se yawo se se du ofa aka kire ne ye mfa dwene ne enso enko o se ye mfa dwene o ne enko ye de enti me de me ko ya bo ache se wo de ko na me de ofa be wu media de ofa be wu media je ofa wu ye no de amane ma eya kokum kanso akoye ne de to koye ne de no so to de kura na sedin kwasea enyem da de nye da na obedi no ofa chi ama no ofa hu se wo so ye nyansafo it is in wo hu nyansa no akoye ne de onye kwasea de it is sometimes it do baby a sad ni pause ye dwene o ye hu no say wo de o ye den a ye ka kire wo say bibi ne ye ka kire say ye MPP ni a na ye NDC ni a wo de wo da heart bibi ansa wadwin say wo ye boni o say de but ye hu no say o man no ye ne team o say bibia na say de si pe go standard bibia no
87.9
ye preni nya eti e basa na say bia ade no nko na wo kopa didi a say na kekuro no de obia pe do obe ono oba na obetra say de odwene de opa di ho a eno nko na obepe e na amakuro na yes ana because obi obeba bia no de opa di e na ye eti o say ye ma ye mu yedu na ye hu kwan e be fa so a ye ni both parties no both NDC MPs no any NDC MPP ni NDC MPs ye no mbeshia ye hu kwan e be fa so e be tuma chichi go e kuro na kachi
ya na CEO e ma Obibini Blackman Company Limited na edin komo na no pay na Aba say no oka investment in industries near in the region no sane man. Me Musa say based on your current position Ashanti region any production whatever way you know what drew stage a 24-hour economy ka betimaye
Sergio. It's a good question. 24-hour economy, no all kind of cry a basin near my baby. And yet, I dear back when everything the agents will say, oh, yeah, 24-hour economy. No crew woman say, so your production is a production.
87.9
demand and all your higher, won't me. And you'll be never catch us a 24-hour economy.
Okay.
Now your production is a production, oh, you're not, when you're paper time, how can you do the 24-hour economy?
That's true.
And it was structures and then near because of the token. And yet 24-hour economy, they say, wait, my sorry, I say we have 24-hour economy without getting anything. What I say? It will not quite.
I mean, maybe can say, oh, baby, what drew no?
Oh, baby, I may do dear. Son, I may just say, say, and a quine I make an engine, a bin I may pay jaban.
Okay.
And I mean, found says, see, I transfer, I can say, some make a light and
yeah,
and then so we production. That's a light on. Been fan say me area on. A free 7 corner crown. One we are just do more machines because light and unya a friend say engineer Monkania na betim the air jume free 7 up to sad a big cry air corner so we 24 hours. It be a main fans all running 6 to 6. Obeya pa e be a 6 to 6. Nebia almost ebeba night and statistics into free e bia 6 up to bear and a jordan sa could do baby no untimi nya light because light
and power
and papa it because of any pain I will feel untimi nya light and kasamfanya twa ni nyina one of the factors it when it comes to 24-hour economy it's a very good idea but almost hwe kwan a on be fast on bit my yen especially the light system no say light no ubenya ho enyenamu kanea no na otimi aye adwuma na na ye and the other factors and also ebia says and whatever depend adwuma na wo ye no say udi mind and also be say obit my ye be say abane support to say ebia wa obet my 24 hours ebia wo nipa udi mind I say 87.9 electricity high abet my adwuma na abane support to say ebi kura na or my police a guide or ye ne niema obet me their support. It's very good idea and no there
I think you bet me aye.
Oh, you and ni nyina aye chise so omo wa adwen so omo concentrate bibi o maka say omo de nsese bi beto akoba ma na bo nipa say John bibi ene wa enye oh na edru ba bi a ade ne we mu se betima ye o ba ya na menim say ye won kofo bi o hajake friends nipa adweno ze den ma ade ne ye ka ye ntimi nya me I don't understand
it be obi interest
yes oh and I know ya na sometimes you know politicians no more interest no ye more than o man cheche de omo hia no ye more than o man cheche de omo pe no ye more than a man cheche on say me fan say President Mama or a very good listening government but most of the time no o you be a woni ne din komo a de obeka bia no ofa de ye adwuma yes me sa na be hono because niam bebre ho a me ne na didi nkomo a na me ne na ka me hono say
or try so be
trust say or the
Akoma FM 87.9
oh yeah very good o tiasem ti se ne nipa na ne nkofo no a ono mo ye adwuma no ye nipa a on betima boa no a I think so betima ye bibi na leaders ne mum sa na ya na ebia obi ho wa adwempa ebia me mfa nse na another time no ni adwumbo ne so be Ghana bone but enipa wonya wo mu no ene o ma anya adwuma
ene bia omo na
it is sometimes ya na bi ho a leaders no wa adwempa but enipa na ono mo ya adwuma no obia ho ba bi ono so na adwen efa eti eno no ma Ghana na nchekire no anya strong enti na hia so se sankofo both ministers and MPs omo Asante region ne ada ne o se ye hu kwan e be fa so aye na o be hia na yeso edin niam bia toto akwema church omo niam bia ebi omo ni ma so kra na omo so betima adwen abaso na ye hu kwan e be fa so ne aban no edi hu nko
I see na je say me today wo kan ase a wo try senka wa kra no wo be production 24/7 as in
o me ye eno de
24 hour ade no kra de nka wo ye dada
yeah me ye
but can you ho asem na desi abe challenge the amount
can you challenge into 24-hour economy no it's not about say bia wo do anoka
87.9
structures ne nsheshe ya wo de betoto enwo so okay ade we sebe sanye production nyina na ehia 24 hours what you say magazine for omote omo ye adwuma from anopa uko ebo sesi kura na akọ magazine so kota de kura unya bi obi bia se kura na so kọ magazine akoye bibia se wontimi nye omo nyina so ye nipa omo ye adwuma pesca but they can also work for 24 hours and say se bia nka Ghana no sa na tie de aba kro no enye sa na tie ba bibia ye bia na efi se betima ye nkakra me na ye enti me de me hu se niema betima ye whereby se bia ye den hyehyɛ papa atoto akwa
asi
ama niema
asi mame ntwa mo ho mratew na e bible for we tew ye twa ho aba na ye ba ya to aso
Jo, e bakebo se no ya dan a